guys, well, we're gonna do some maintenance in the chain, and this is one of the products that we want to use. It's the first time that I'm using it, and I have no idea if it's good or not. According to Amazon, it has good reviews, and I found out the way to make it less messy, but so let's try it.
Gonna slow down. Turn the lights down, watch them go down. No, I'm never gonna slow down. Turn the lights down, watch them go down. No, I'm never gonna slow down.
Turn the lights down, watch you.
Okay, as first part done, then you just move a little bit your bag in order to have the rest of the chain clear.
Turn the lights down, watch them
Just
go
repeat the
down.
process.
No, I'm never gonna slow down. Turn the lights down, watch them go down. No, I'm never gonna slow down. Turn the lights down, watch them go down. No, I'm never gonna slow down. Turn the lights down, watch them go down. No, I'm never gonna slow down. I'm like go like no. 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 Turn the lights down.
Okay, so we're done. You just move your bag a little bit forward so you finish the rest of the chain. Well, I thought it wasn't too messy, but it's still just a little bit. So, and that was it. All right. Thank you guys. See ya.